Polka Dot is absolutely exploding right now. There's just so much hype building up around Polka Dot as we get closer and closer to seeing those parachain auctions actually happening. And as exciting as all the current price action is, I think we're still just getting started for the Polka Dot ecosystem. This is going to be one of the top trending coins of 2021. The only thing I don't like about Polka Dot is that I didn't buy more of it when it was $5, but you know, you can't win them all anyway. My name is Lark, and this is where you subscribe for all of the hottest and all of the latest happening out here in the crazy markets. By the way, if you want to stay up to date with all of the things happening in the Polka Dot ecosystem, including the latest token sales, as well as the wider crypto ecosystem, Ethereum, and everything beyond that, you should definitely check out Wealth Mastery. So we ship out this investor report to your inbox every Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So every week you're going to get a deep dive altcoin report, top tier technical analysis, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, interview with an industry leader, and much more, all for less than $10 a week, making this one of the most value-packed and affordable investor reports on the market. So check out the link down below to learn more and to become a member today. Wow. So what is going on with Polka Dot right now, man? This is crazy. The price is just surging massively. It's up like 3x since the start of the year, approximately. It's almost doubled in like the last 2 days. And if you've been keeping up with the videos here on the channel, then you will know that I am definitely a Polka Dot bull. I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing with the technology, with the chain, with the team, with the ecosystem. To me, there is to see Polka Dot just popping off like this. This is one of what I believe the most fundamentally strong layer 1 blockchains out there. The hype that has actually, I think, built around Polka Dot in Q4 2020 is something that I've actually not seen in a long time in crypto. This kind of enthusiasm coming in around one of these layer 1 chains. Most of them kind of just really struggle to get any kind of hyper community built around them. And then in Q1 this year, it's going to go to the next level in terms of actually delivering on technology, making it a true force to be reckoned with. And of course, the hype will build along with that because the Polka Dot parachains are going to be launching. So the parachain system is like a sort of a wheel. You got the hub in the middle and all the little spokes are the parachains. So from a tokenomics standpoint, this means that a large percentage of the total Polka Dot supply could actually end up being bonded, so locked up, since any parachain has to bond dot tokens to be able to get one of the 100 limited spaces for the parachains. It also means that Polka Dot will really finally be coming to life. We're going to see, Polka Dot out in the wild really doing stuff. The rollout of parachains is going to be a game-changing development for Polka Dot. So when we see parachains actually coming out, then all these Polka Dot ecosystem coins we've been talking about here on the channel for a while that are currently actually living on Ethereum will finally be able to start fulfilling their higher purpose in this universe by doing something on the Polka Dot blockchain, right? With the low fees on Polka Dot combined with the very large and growing ecosystem, Polka Dot is well poised to capture some serious market share over the next year, especially in the DeFi sector, where many of the applications being built on Polka Dot are being targeted. We also have quite a few Polka Dot Ethereum bridges and stuff like that coming, so they're going to be able to tap into liquidity pretty easily. We now have the first parachain live on the Rococo test net. It's a project called Plasm, something we actually talked about in the newsletter a few months ago. We will see a lot more of these parachains being announced in the testnet in the days ahead. There's loads of really promising cryptocurrencies that are likely to seek out parachain slots, including Moonbeam and Robonomics and Chainx and quite a few others as well. The Kusama network as well will be the first to deploy parachains. Of course, Polka Dot and Kusama, big brother, little brother relationship. It's also going to be the first to be doing auctions. Also, here's an interesting bit of information. In Q4 of 2020, 20% of the venture capital entering the crypto markets went into DeFi projects on Polka Dot. That is incredible. And Polka Dot has also received some very big backing in terms of its ecosystem over the last month. So Huobi announced $5 million to help incubate Polka Dot projects. A few weeks later, BINANCE came out and announced that they're going to be doing $10 million to support development and to help build projects out on the Polka Dot chain. So we have some really big money coming in behind the Polka Dot ecosystem, and that's two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges taking some, relatively big bets on the future of the Polka Dot ecosystem. Binance and Huobi have also been listing a lot of Polka Dot related ecosystem plays. So Binance, for example, they listed Reef, which is a Polka Dot based DeFi player. So, pretty cool to see that happening. And that leads me on to the final point. The Polka Dot ecosystem right now, super hot overall. I guess you even, haven't been paying attention, but Polka Dot, I truly believe, will hit $100 at some point during this bull run. But that, from the current price, is only like a 7x gain, which is nice, and it might go beyond that, right? Without a doubt, but it's kind of a good target, I think. But the ecosystem applications, they're going to give you many more X's in terms of returns. There are just so many coming out right now in the market, so you're kind of really spoiled for choice, but you also need to increase risk of these lower market cap coins. So please do your homework before FOMOing into any random token just because they're saying, hey, we're going to build on Polka Dot. That doesn't in of itself mean that it's going to be a good token. You still have to do the work and find out, is this actually worth investing in or not? Much like the expansionary period of the Ethereum ecosystem in 2017, there will be loads of scammy projects out there, claiming to build on Polka Dot or whatever, actually getting built on Polka Dot and still being scammy. Or, of course, just projects that maybe they're well-intentioned, maybe they're not a scam, they just, fail terribly because they just don't deliver or the product fits wrong, or whatever it's going to be. So, as a reminder, just holding the DOT token, it's a safer bet by far. It gives you exposure to that whole asset class because, come on, you guys know, Coinbase listing is going to happen at some point sooner than later. That's only going to drive the price higher, especially with Coinbase now actively seeking new listings. And obviously Coinbase is important since it's the primary gateway that a lot of retail money is bringing their cash into the market. You know what else is interesting? Grayscale still lists complete freaking garbage like Ethereum Classic in its, trust accounts, but it does not yet list a gem like Polka Dot. When they do, though, and they will at some point, it will provide a quick and easy avenue for institutional money to be able to flood into the Polka Dot ecosystem. They will not stay with Bitcoin and Ethereum forever. In fact, here's the good news for us. If you've bought Polka Dot already, if you bought Polka Dot last month, preferably, right, then you have already beat the big money crowd into Polka Dot. So congratulations. Anyway, there's just some Polka Dot ramblings for you. The Parachain launches, it's going to be big. It's bringing a lot of excitement in. It's bringing a lot of money into the market. So definitely keep your eyes on Polka Dot for 2021, guys. Anyway, your question for today. What Polka Dot-based cryptocurrency are you most bullish on for 2021? Are you just sticking with just straight Polka Dot? Are you a Kusama guy? Or are you looking at some of the smaller ecosystem players? Maybe you're getting into the paid network. Maybe you're getting into Polka Starter or something like that. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.